Why draw a stick figure when you can learn to draw in the silly style of Keith Haring, an American artist? We're going to cut out some shapes that look like people, and then we're going to glue them to paper and make some awesome art. Start with a small 9-inch by 6-inch rectangle piece of construction paper. You're going to draw your figure with pencil. Draw the head shape, about the size of an egg. Not too small, not too big. The arms are actually going to start right out of that head shape. I know, it's going to look a little weird. Find the figure's armpits. Draw 2 dots. Then lines for the figure's torso or body and legs. Pretty odd looking, I'd say. But wait, let's give him some thick arms with round hands and round feet and thick legs. Draw parallel to the first line you made for the arms or the legs. There. Now you just need 2 more pieces of construction paper that are the exact same size. Stack them together. You can even staple them if that will help you hold them together while you cut the figures out. Okay, that was fun. Now you have 3 shapes that are exactly the same, and the one that has pencil lines on it, you can just flip that over so you don't even have to see it. All right, it's time to start arranging these on paper. You'll need white drawing paper. You'll, of course, write your name in your class code, whatever that may be. Flip your paper over so your name is on the back, and then start arranging your composition. These can be really fun or silly, like a dance party or any other kind of strange arrangement you can create on your paper. Well, that was a lot of fun. I just love using bright colors, drawing lines, shapes, patterns, doodles, anything that comes to mind to fill the space. And it looks pretty awesome when it's all filled in. So take your time, do your best, don't rush, have fun.